If you ask women, they'll say they can't lift anything heavy. But this woman comes along, picks up a huge box, carries it all the way to the car, and takes off. Does anyone recognize her? This four-person gang approached the house in 2 cars and tried to break in. What was inside this house? They even tried to get in with a gun. When they realized they couldn't open the door, they checked the vehicle parked in front of the house before heading back to their cars. In the end, they left empty-handed. Make sure to lock your doors, too.
Yeah, this is hella OD. I know how we're gonna do this.
It's a barbed wire.
Yeah, but turn it over. We're gonna put the towel over it. Are you willing to take risks?
Yeah, fine.
These 2 young men wanted to get to the attic, but an obstacle got in their way. However, they came prepared. They covered the wires with a cloth and jumped over. What were they planning to do in the attic?
Yep, good.
Now, up, over. Watch out, there still is wire, so like be aware. There you go, girl. Hell yeah.
It ain't no problem.
What would you do if a pack of bears came running toward you like that? Isn't it terrifying? Now that's the kind of car you need in the snow. Perfect drifts, so smooth.
You can put towel over it.
The camera?
No, this. Okay. We're already screwed.
At first, I didn't want to think badly, but when they went down, the young girl had nothing on under her. What do you think she might have done? And she's filming the movement. What? Is what you're doing the right thing? This trio is trying to break into the house. Since they don't have anything to cover their faces, they turn off the doorbell camera. When they're about to break the window, they pull their hands away from the camera, revealing their faces. So why did they turn it off? After breaking the window, they get inside the house and immediately encounter the homeowner. They quickly leave the scene. This woman was arguing with her neighbor, and things must have been really tense because they were both shouting loudly. As the neighbor walked away to end the argument, the woman couldn't hold back and started yelling things after him. The man couldn't take it anymore and ran toward her. She quickly shut the door, but he opened it. I thought a fight was about to break out. Thankfully, nothing happened.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
These teens had their eyes on something. One of them quickly reached out and snatched it. What they were after was a chicken, and they took it and left. He was trying to break the door lock with a big tool in his hand, but whether he failed or heard a noise, he looked around and quickly walked away. We're always feeling sorry for animals, but we don't actually do anything for them. We destroy their homes and just leave them there, sentencing them to death. The power line must have been sagging, because when the truck passed, it got caught and ripped the utility pole right out of the ground. This delivery guy, unaware of everything, brought an order to the house and rang the doorbell. But as soon as the door opened, the family dog saw him as a threat and charged at him. The courier ran in panic while the owner tried to hold the dog back. Eventually, they managed to get the dog back inside.
Awesome! You guys are awesome with the snacks!
This homeowner has such a sweet heart. They left out some snacks for all the delivery drivers. One courier sees it, takes whatever he wants, says thank you, and leaves. If only we could all be thoughtful like that.
A little greedy, but I haven't eaten all day. I'm sorry. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Happy New Year.
At first, I couldn't figure out this guy with the strange hair, what his intentions were. But soon enough, he picked up the package from the ground and tucked it into his coat. He did it right in front of the doorbell camera without even realizing. Despite his age, he's committing robbery with a gun in his hand. He almost tried to rob this house, too. The fault isn't with the kid, but with the example he's been shown. He's shooting left and right with the gun in his hand, and then he collects the spent shell casings to avoid leaving evidence. However, the doorbell camera caught everything. Can someone be this careless and reckless? When you're turning, at least slow down a bit. Anyway, you hit the car. Why aren't you stopping? Why are you running away? You left, but who's going to pay for the damage to the other vehicle?